Okay, day 2 on the Y2K Stang. What I'm going to do on this right now is blow off the coil packs, pull spark plugs, cover up all of the openings like the PCV and the vent, oil fill. Throttle body's already covered up, got a rag in it. So I'm going to blow this all off and get it clean, pull the coil packs, pull the spark plugs. Hasn't been started in, let's see, September, October, November, December, January, February, 6 months. So I'm going to spray a little WD-40 down in there in the spark plug holes, just for a little bit of help, hopefully. So might get a little noisy here. Try to be quick. I hate making long videos, and you'll have to excuse me, I got a head and chest cold I've been fighting with. Alright, plug your ears, turn your volume down. Alright, so a little closer look on the fire damage. Throttle cables melted there. One, I guess, is cruise control, and the other's the throttle cable. Got the burnt vacuum lines. And these injectors are out. They're not pushed in all the way. So that bolt not being in that fuel rail, pressure, the fuel pumps popped them up and off. Pretty sure. So I got new O-rings for the fuel injectors. Gonna pull them out, clean them. New O-rings. Check the spark plugs. That's the plan for now. I'll pause back in when there's something else to show you. Alright, got the injectors pulled out and spark plugs. That's what was in there. No wonder it leaked. It's all crushed up. Not even supposed to be in there. That's the way it came out. Had that in, O-ring, and then the other plastic washer. This plug's all, I accidentally knocked some off of there, some build up. It was shorted right out. The others aren't way too bad, but yeah, that's not very good. So I'm off to get some injectors, spark plugs. I haven't taken the other side off yet. I don't think they messed with that side yet, but I don't know what they were doing. Alright, I'll pause back in the next time I have something to show. Alright, I'm back. Did a little search on my local listings on the internet. Come up with 8 brand new injectors that are 2-hole. Got them for 30 bucks. Can't beat that. I looked them up on the internet and I seen them for $480 for this set. Got them for 30 bucks. Got some new spark plugs. So I'm gonna get ready. I put all this back together just to keep stuff from maybe blowing in there or whatever. So I'm just pull these out and put the new ones in and go to the other side. Pause back in when I get done. Okay, I've got the injectors in, spark plugs in. Got that all ready to go. Now I'm fixing the vacuum lines. Got this one's all cracked up, so I'm gonna replace that. Something to check. I don't know if this is gonna focus. See how cracked that is. Go ahead and replace that. And then on these plastic vacuum lines that got all melted up, what I'm gonna do till I can find a replacement at a wrecking yard or the dealer or something. Right now, what I did is I cut a piece of that plastic hose and went to the O'Reilly's and got some vacuum hose that fits pretty snug on there. Should be okay. So I'm just going to replace all of that with vacuum hose, like I said, till I can get the correct ones. My objective here is to get this up and running, see what I'm up against, see what I've got. Alright, I'm going to get those vacuum hoses changed, and I'll pause back in when there's something new. Okay, got it all put together. Had it started once, but I'll start it up anyway to show you it's running. Go ahead and start it. So it runs. Alright, shut it off. So I just need to get a few more parts and we'll see how it goes from there. So let me know what you think. Was it worth 650 bucks? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really could use the subscriptions with this new monetization policy. So be sure and subscribe. There'll be more videos to come on this car. Okay, have a good one.